Hi guys, by the way, my name is Angelo Jake Hernan, and now I will show you the area that I will plant my galay. Let's go! And this is the area that I will plant my galay. That's all, and see you next week guys, and bye. Hello everyone, join me once again here for my little garden. As you can see, I have a sweet potato here, and I know some of you may wondering why it's so growth so fast and healthier. Well, I will be in here twice a day, feeding a water for them growth healthier. On the next video, join me picking some kamote tops for vegetable salad. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye.
Kulang mag-smile to.
Hello everyone, I am here today vlogging my little garden. Cause I want keep uploading on how grow so fast and look healthy. Well, I will pour water every day and talk for them. And now, as you can see, it's time to harvest some kamote tops in my little garden. And look how beautiful and healthy the kamote tops or I harvest today. It's It's time to make some kamuti top salad. That's all, sir. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm back. And now, please join me to clean my little garden. As you can see, marami siyang damong tumutubo ngayon kaya linisin natin. Let's go! Okay guys, tapos na natin linisin yung my little garden. At ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano na ito kalinis. Yes, as you can see, ito na yung galay na itinanim ko. At ito ay malusog because dinidiligan ko siya araw-araw. Kaya nung nakalaang linggo, kaka-harvest ko lang at nakakain na rin ako nito. Kaya ngayon, i-maintain ko lang yung cleanliness niya para healthy siya palagi. Kaya, that's all. Guys, bye. Hello everyone, I'm back. And now, please join me to cook my galay. And this is my galay. Yung sauce natin guys, and now let's see, my kamote tops is ready. Okay guys, this is already cooked, and now let's eat. Hi guys, let's eat. It is the kamote tops that I cook. Yummy.
That's all.